We're trying out Omi at Chadstone today. We've tried the takeaway previously, and that was nice, but we want to try it fresh. So we came to Chadstone and find the store. And the first thing we order is the truffle fries with the separate mayo sauce. I don't like the sauce being put on top of the fries and make it all soggy, so it's all separate. And we have the signature wagyu beef with the onsen egg. Really love this one when we had it takeaway before. And this is the karaage with the salted egg. Again with the onsen egg that comes with it. So you can actually order a number of different sauces with the combinations. So we just try this like that. This one is the signature sauce. So just teriyaki, but you can have curry sauce or truffle mayo again, and many other sauces you can try on. So we'll see what this tastes like at the shop today. Bon appetit.